Hi everyone and welcome back. So for today's episode I have this amazing design from Monkey's Dream developer that is also available for giveaway. Name of this watch face is Dream 106, available on Google Play Store. All you have to do is that just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design, it has a nice looking dark background with three sub dials. So the dial on the left side is showing our step counter, heart rate on the right side, and battery percentage is highlighted at the bottom. Plus you can tap here at the top on these plus icons to assign any app to this watch face as a shortcut like alarm, assistant, Bixby and calculator. Also we have these two stars present here which can also be used as shortcuts. The detail with this watch face is really good. You can see that rotating machinery is present in the background, and if you want to customize this watch face, just long press on it and tap on customize. First of all, you can change background colors like this. Then you can change color of subdials which are present here in the background. We have many colors to choose from with this watch face Dream 106. Then you can also customize some shortcuts present here which are assigned to these complications. So this was the watch face Dream 106. Now let's see always on display mode. Always on display mode with this watch face has a really nice looking green lume theme, and our watch hands are still visible in a clean looking way. Also if I double tap on the watch face, all the colors will be back. So this was the watch face for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.